Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to edit the name of your circle in Life360 app. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Life360 app on your device and from the home screen, tap on the circle you want to edit. Tap the little switcher icon at the top and then select a circle if you have multiple circles. After you do that, tap on the gear button in the top right corner. Now, click on Circle Management. Now select Edit Circle Name. Enter the new name for your circle and tap on Save at the top right corner to confirm your changes. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new name for your Life360 circle. That is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.